This is our solar cell. We made this with resistance with copper wire and copper sulfate. This is to generate voltage, and we're going to answer some questions for you to understand better how we did this, the solar cell.
Copper sulfate produces a redox reaction. The redox reactions are those in which an electron transfer occurs between two species. One of the reagents yields electrons and oxidized and reducing species, while one that accepts the electrons is reduced, an oxidating species. The redox reaction always goes through conjugated pair systems. The reductor gives electrons and oxidized while the oxidant gains those electrons and is reduced. Copper sulfate 2 is used in industry for water treatment, also having numerous applications such as manufacturing of feed concentrators for animals, fertilizers, pesticides, textile, mordants, leather industry, and pigments, and also electric batteries.
It is just for the base, but if it was of another material, it can melt while the reaction is in process. The aluminum foil helps the reaction, and it also isolates the wood and the copper.
Aluminum foil be replaced by something else? Yes, with copper or silicon. It is even more efficient but also more expensive. Why is part of the aluminum foil painted black? It helps with the task of absorbing light.
With the copper wire is built a resistance. If the number of turns of the copper wire is increased, the resistance would be of a larger number or more resistance, and if it decreases, the number of turns decreases, the resistance would be less. If you have only a wire without any turn, that would be a short circuit. Lemon juice is an acid. It can be separated in ions. That's why it is a very good conductor of electricity. And the toothpaste is also an acid, so the mixture of lemon juice with toothpaste will give a better conductivity to the resistance. When the copper sulfate and salt water are placed in the aluminum, in a few time it turns into a dark color. This means that a redox reaction is being created. The chlorine is being oxidized and the copper and the sodium are being reducted. In the process of this reaction, gases and heat are spread in a very massive way. The aluminum dissolves in the water, and the dark residue is the metallic copper created by the reduction. With this, the panel will have a better heat and electric conduction.
¿Sí está funcionando?
Sí, está girando.
Muy bien.